Hey, put the chocolate chip in the cookies.
Happy, look at me. Look at me when you put one. Look at me, look at me, look at me.
That's it, that's enough, Mama. You ready to put it in the oven?
Hey, cookies.
You ready to put it in the oven? Okay, wait. Let me hold it. Get down. Hey!
No, only touch there. Only touch in there. You're going to put your hands in there.
Put it in the oven.
It's a cookie in there.
No. Put it in the bottom. Let it go. Let it go. I got it from here. Okay? And we got some cookies in the oven. Now we close the oven. Now we're going to wait 15 minutes to get the cookies in, okay?
Yes! Yes!